Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I greatly appreciate you being here. And while you're here, if you haven't already, go ahead and just hit that subscribe button. That big old red thing down there, yeah. Just click it. Today is Fat Tuesday, so in honor of the occasion, although a lot of people celebrated Mardi Gras this past weekend, but I thought it would be fun to get on here and create some kind of Mardi Gras inspired look. So yeah, without doing any rambling at all, let's just go ahead and jump right on into the video. Alright, so starting out, just to save some time, also because this look is mainly all about the eyes, I went ahead and did my eyebrows and foundation off camera. But if you're interested, the foundation that I'm wearing today is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I am in the shade Warm Sand. And if you're interested in how I do my eyebrows, I actually have an eyebrow tutorial that I will link down below for you guys to check out if you're interested. So now moving right on into the eyes, I'm first going to start out by grabbing my very well loved and heavily used Jaclyn Hill palette. Don't judge me. I'm just going to pick up this light tan shade right here, and I'm just going to be working that color all the way into my crease as my transition shade. This shade almost blends into my skin tone. You're not really going to be able to see it that much, but I always just like to go down with a transition shade first. Kind of just like preps the eye, gets things going, and it also helps all the other shadows blend a lot better in the end, and everything just lays down a lot smoother. Alright, so now we have our transition shade down. I'm going to be moving around into my Morphe 35B palette. This is their Color Burst palette, and I'm going to be taking this dark forest green shade right here and working it in my crease. So as I'm doing this, there's just two random things that I want to mention to you guys. First one being, y'all, I finally got my nails done. No, I did not do these myself. I actually went to the nail salon and got them done professionally. Y'all know I like doing nail tutorials on my channel. I even just recently discovered that I'm not too bad at doing acrylic nails on myself. Let me tell you something, okay? When you've been sick and you've been stressed to the max and your kids have been getting on your last nerve and your man comes to you, hands you some money, and it's like, go get your nails done. Honey, you don't hesitate and you don't ask questions, okay? You just go. So that's what I did. I'm not gonna lie, it is nice to have these babies done again. This is the Ombre SNS and I love it. Mama's back in the game for a little while. Now I'm just going to dip into this lighter shade of green right here. I'm going to start placing that all over the green that I just did, just so it's not so dark. I still want it to be dark and have that forest green undertone, but this will just help kind of lighten it up and make it a little bright, but not too bright, if that even makes sense. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. This is in the shade 1.5. I'm just going to use that to cut the crease. Alright, so now directly on top of that concealer, I'm just going to go in with this yellow shade right here. It's kind of like this metallic-y yellowish gold. So while I am packing this on, I did just want to also take the time to thank you guys for 600 subscribers. I hit the 600 mark, I want to say like last week sometime, and right now I want to say I have like 626 or something like that. Compared to all these big YouTubers, 600 is such a minuscule number, but to me it means the world. I really enjoy getting on here and filming videos for you guys. It's something that really brings me joy and brings me happiness. It's so rewarding to sit here and put out content and receive positive feedback and watch my channel grow. You know, all of these bigger YouTubers that have millions of subscribers, you know, they at one point were sitting right here in my same spot, hitting these same smaller milestones as well. And so yeah, it's just very inspiring and definitely motivation for me to keep going. And you know, as long as you guys keep watching and keep enjoying the content that I put out, I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep going because I really enjoy this. All right, moving right on into liner. We have the green and the gold, so it's time to add in some purple. So for my winged liner today, I'm gonna be taking this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Havana. Sorry. Just taking a little bit of that on my wrist. We're taking this thin brush right here. I'm going to use that to create a wing. Alright, and so I really just kind of used that purple lip cream for kind of like a base slash guide, because what I'm really gonna do, y'all know I could not do this without throwing in some glitter. So directly on top of that purple, I'll be going in with a little bit of the NYX glitter primer, and I'll be tossing some purple glitter directly on top of that. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Next, I'm going to attempt to throw on some lashes and pray that these lashes stick to this glitter. Lord, please be with me. Okay, yeah, so change of plans. As much as I would love a lash with this look, it's just not gonna happen, because that lash gave me more problems and caused me more fits trying to get it to stick to this glue than it was worth. So today I'm just gonna go au naturel and hope that plain old mascara can do the job. I'm going to be layering the Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Retro Glam and the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So definitely not a false lash, but I think we can work with it. I don't know, you guys. I really don't know. So moving right on into the lower lash line, I'll be going back in with that dark forest green and just running that all the way across. I'm also going to take that same dark green and just pop it in my inner corner as well. Alright, and then directly on top of the green that's in my inner corner, I'll be going back in with the NYX glitter glue and some green glitter. I'll be putting this green glitter just right there in my inner corner. Then going back to my lower lash line, directly underneath that green, I'm going in with this dark purple shade right here. I'm just going to use that to kind of smoke out that green. And adding the purple down here as well, I feel like it's just going to help tie everything in together a lot better as well. And now just really quick, I'm going to be taking this Ulta Beauty eyeliner. It's actually double-sided. On one side it has kind of like a gray tone shade, and the other side is a purple. So I'm going to be taking that purple and then just popping that in my waterline. So now for the rest of my face, I actually think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to speed through all the rest of these next steps, because you guys have seen me use these products countless of times and nothing has changed. So I'm still going to show you guys the process, but I am going to speed through it. But don't worry, because if you're new here and you want to know exactly what the products are that I am using, everything will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So here's what we have thus far, and you could very well leave it like this, but let's be honest, folks tend to get a little bit wild and crazy during Mardi Gras. So I figured I'm gonna get a little wild and crazy right here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right back in with my glitter primer and some yellowish goldish glitter this time, and then I want to give myself some kind of glitter tears, so it gives me an excuse to add more glitter and kind of play into the masquerade-ish theme, kind of. I don't know. Alright, so here we are. I also added in just a little bit of purple into that gold as well. Now for lips, and we're done. Honestly, I don't know what to do on the lips because the eyes are so dramatic. I kind of want to go nude, but then since this is a Mardi Gras masquerade crazy glitter-esque look, I feel like, you know what, why not take it there? So I'm going right back in with that same NYX lip cream, the one that I use for a guide as my eyeliner. It is their soft matte lip cream in the shade Havana. Guys, that is it. Hope y'all enjoyed this little Mardi Gras masquerade Fat Tuesday tutorial. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.